Hello and welcome back to Genssi. Today we're going to do a quick comparison in new technology versus old technology when it comes to LED conversion kits. What we have here is an H11, the newest base technology we have for an LED conversion kit, and this is super small. It's almost in comparison to the same size of a regular halogen bulb, but today we're going to compare it to actually our last version of an LED conversion kit. This is basically, we've had this for quite some time. We're selling it pretty successfully. They were very reliable, but obviously everything has changed. So what we're able to do these days with technology is be able to push actually a lot more output, a lot more power, a lot more light output with a lot less size. And to compare here, this is an H4 bulb versus the H11. As you can see, the base is much smaller. And then when you look at the LED driver itself in comparison, size-wise, also weight-wise, it's a lot different. And what we're going to do is we're going to compare them. So the reason I chose an H4 is because it actually has two sets of LED chips, as you can see here, low and high. So we're going to try them both, showing you with just one set on and with both of them on at the same time, in comparison to just the newest chips that we have on this H11. And we're going to go ahead and start. We have a reader here, and we'll go ahead and start and put it in low beam. So here it is in low beam. You have about 1400. Put it in high, you got about 1900. And now we can go ahead and try the new kit. So this is the H11. Go ahead and start this up. All right. 4400 lumens, and the fan can't hear in comparison to the other one, where the other one is actually pretty loud. 4400 lumens out of a very small petite new bulb that basically outperforms a dual filament bulb. Essentially, this is an H4 versus an H11. So basically you have 8 chips versus the new design with 3 simple chips in here, and it blows it out of the water. I mean, essentially it's double the output. Thanks for watching.